I don't know why I'm recording this video this late. It is almost 11:30 p.m. But the reason is because my daughter is sleeping and my husband is working late today. So I figured, I hardly ever have time to do videos because I gotta take care of my daughter, and every time I'm filming, I'm trying to get our video ready, she's crying and she needs my attention, so I have to keep stepping away. But anyways, today I want to talk to you guys about what has sold for me. And I'm so tired, but I figured why don't I go ahead and just get this video ready, and so it could be ready for this Friday. Today is Wednesday, by the way, when I made this video. You didn't have to know that, but now you know. Anyways, I'm going to be talking about the week of April 11th through the 18th. That gives me roughly about a week. So I'm going to be talking about what sold on eBay and Mercari, because those were the two platforms that I did some sales. And this is what I'm going to call my bread and butter sales, because they're not major things that I sold that generate a lot of profit, but these are the things that are at least moving and in turn giving me some profit. It's not a lot, but again, there are just things on my eBay and Mercari that are at least are selling, and we need that positive reviews. We need those sales so that these platforms can continue to see that, hey, we are sellers, we're selling, and we're making the money, so in turn they want to push us out there. So anyways, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Yasmin. I sell on eBay and Mercari, Poshmark, sometimes Facebook Marketplace. Those are the platforms that I use to do my sales. But today I'm going to be focusing again only on eBay and Mercari, because those were the two places that I made some great sales. So let's get started now. But first, let me take a sip of my tea, non-caffeinated, because it is 11:30 at night and I don't need any caffeine, even though I did eat a piece of chocolate. Okay, got my notes here, and I'm gonna be talking about how much the item cost, how much profit I made after fees and stuff. All right, so the first item that we're gonna talk about, and I'm gonna be looking down because I'm gonna be looking at my screen here for the products that I've sold. But anyways, the first item that we have here is, it's called More Than Magic Bath Bomb. It was a set of 5, it was a 1-pack, and it sold for $13, guys, which is awesome. I got this item from my most recent personal care HBA Wholesale Ninjas box, and this item sold for $13. So after shipping and Mercari fees, my total profit for this item was $5.26, which was actually really good, because that means that I made double or triple my money. Well, double, yeah, like double or triple, it doesn't matter. I made more than what I paid for that little item. And I did use, for the first time, I used Pirate Ship, and actually that saved me a lot of money, because initially I was using Mercari shipping, their rates. That's what I was using. I was using their rates, and I was like, man, they're really high, but I was able to save some money by using Pirate Ship on these for these items. The second thing that sold here, it was this, hold on. Okay, it was this Rock Retinol Correction Eye Cream, and it sold on Mercari for $12. So after shipping, cost of goods, and fees, my total profit for this item was $2.85. So I made basically a little bit double. So that was very good. I'm not gonna complain about that. So then the next thing that we have here is this Pixi Skin Treats Glow Boost Mask or whatever. Glycolic, I don't know. But anyways, this item sold for $11 on Mercari, and after shipping, cost of goods, and I did use pirate ship, so it did save me a little bit of money there. My total profit for this item was $3.46. So that was also a really good profit for this item. Even though it may not seem, that's why I said a lot of the things that I sold this week were bread and butter. It's those little extra things that, even though they generate a small profit, it's still something. All right, so the next thing that I have here available is this. I sold 2 of these together in a bundle. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but it's this Gindo Beauty 5-Step Travel Kit. Someone purchased it for $10, and after total cost of goods, shipping, and that's why I can't be filming in the middle of the night, because I don't even know what I just said. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and Mercari fees, that's what I meant to say. My total profit for this item was $3.04. What can you get for $3? I can get me some chocolate. I could get me a misto from Starbucks. Under $3. All right, so moving on. So here we have an item that's sold on eBay, and it's this Olay Regenerous Whip Active Moisturizer with sunscreen. I'm glad someone purchased it, because this item was supposed to expire in August of this year. So thankfully somebody bought it. I believe I even think that I was running a sale. I can't remember the percentage, but after total cost of fees, let's rewind that, please. Okay, so someone paid $12.76. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $4.98, which was an excellent profit because it was a little bit, almost double. So that was good sell. All right, some more tea, please. I don't know why my throat just feels like It's like I need to stay hydrated, and I'm just so tired. I need to be in bed. It's almost midnight here. All right, so the next item that we have here is this, the Cream Shop Bubbling Oxygen Clay Mask that someone purchased for $14 on Mercari. Thank you very much. Full price. I love that. I love when buyers purchase something full price, because that helps me out. Because you know, when you have to accept an offer, counter offer, you're losing some of your profit. But someone purchased it for $14, the asking price. So and this one is, I did use Mercari's shipping rates, because it was before I signed up for pirate ship. This was later on, so I was still using Mercari shipping rates. So again, someone paid $14 after total cost of goods, Mercari fees, and shipping. My profit for this item was $4.84, which is not bad. That can get me just dropped my pen. That can get me maybe like a grande Starbucks drink. They're expensive. But anyways, let's move on to the next item. And I love this. I sold one of these items on Mercari before for around the same price. But this one particularly sold on eBay. I was running a 7% store discount. So someone purchased this item, this 2-pack of Beard Brand Blank Slate Beard softener. Woo! That was a tongue twister, and I believe I had talked about this in one of my previous What Sold videos because I had sold it on Mercari. This time I sold on eBay, and this one I sold for $18.59. I'm glad, and someone also paid full price, asked for the asking price, and that's one of the things that I really appreciate about having a store on eBay. It's because you can run sales and markdowns and discounts, and so when people see, oh, this item is on sale, you know, it's 10, 5, 7% off, people buy it, and generally they don't ask for a discount, or don't usually, well, they do always make offers, but it's been working out to run a sale and to run markdowns and have discounts, because people have generally been paying for the discounted price instead of them making an offer. But anyways, this item, I'm sorry, I kind of got off track. See, that's why I shouldn't be making these videos in the middle of the night. Someone paid $18.59 after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees. My total profit for this item was $7.09. So I definitely tripled my money here. So this was a really, 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 really good sell, despite having a discount already on the item. All right, guys, so something that I just randomly started doing was selling some books from home that I'm like, you know what? I got this from my husband. He never opened it, never read it. I didn't either. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna sell stuff or junk that we are not using, like some of these books. Not that they're junks. Books are excellent. I'm all for books, guys. I'm all for books. I love books, but we were not reading them. So why not give it to the hands of someone who's going to actually take advantage and read the book? So someone bought this Dave Ramsey Total Money Makeover book, and this was on a best offer. See, this is what I'm talking about, best offers. I was running a 5% sale. The item was $11.37, but someone sent me a best offer of $7.50. And yes, I went ahead and accepted it because I feel like it was just gonna sit there, and I didn't want it to just sit there. It's like you take chances. I went ahead and sold my first, no, that wasn't my first book. So before, I'm gonna show you guys which one was the first book that I sold. But before I get off track, let's come back to this. After total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $2.57. I don't like offers. That's the reason I don't like offers, but it's part of business, and it is a bread and butter profit. So why not? Didn't cost me anything. Well, it cost me when I originally bought it, but you know, if it's something that's been here for a year, over a year, 2 years, you know, it's like, it's free eventually. All right, so let's move on. So someone bought another book, you know, somebody bought books back to back. It was awesome. And somebody bought this whole 30 cookbook from me. And I actually got this book many years ago, and actually not many years, maybe like 3 years ago. How long my husband and I have been married for? So about, oh my goodness, it's been almost 4 years. Yeah, I probably had this book for about 3 or 4 years. I probably only made one recipe from it, and so I said, this is something that is just taking up space. Why don't I go ahead and list it? And I originally had it for $9.98. I was running a 10% sale. So someone actually bought it for the $8.98, which came with the 10% discount. I had to sneeze. So Someone bought this for the discounted price, which was with the 10%, $8.98. So after total cost of goods, no. This did not have a cost of good because I've been having this for a while. So I would consider this no cost of goods. Zero cost of goods. So after total cost of eBay fees and shipping for this item, my total profit was $3.28. That's what I'm talking about, guys. This particular week was just like very small item sales, you know, but it is what it is. It's part of business. And I think it's also great to have items that are just kind of like your bread and butter that just kind of give you a small little profits here and there, because it actually adds up in the end. So why not, you know? Well, again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss a thing. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post videos like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Good night or good morning, wherever you are in the world. Bye.